So hello everyone, today we are going to see the value, the power electronics kit. See, this is the DC power supply. So this is the DC power supply. How to check this AC and DC power supply with the help of this multimeter. So first let's see the DC power supply. So this is the positive one, red one is your positive. So positive one it should be there and ground there. When I put these two ground and this positive, so value is 35. So first one is done. Next is 15 plus 15, so it's almost 14.89 something. Then next is your 12, so it's 11.8. okay, next is 5, so this is the value of 5. See, this is the value of 5. Done. Then this is the negative part, so when I put there, its value is 35. Then it's ground or ground, then it should be 0. See, because ground 0. Then 12 minus 12. See, minus 12. So this is minus 5. Now see the AC part. So for AC part, let's see. So first this is DC and now this is AC part. So there is a 18 or 15, so 20 is enough for this two.